Hey guys, how to use Descript AI for video and audio editing. So go ahead to the official website, right? And you're gonna be able to log in with your account. Okay, make sure that you go and start your free trial. And then what you're gonna do, you can go ahead and click new project, whether that was video project or audio project. If it was video project, you could go ahead and click video project and upload your file, right? Just go ahead and upload the videos. Let's say for example, I'm gonna upload a video. So let's say for example, I'm gonna add this video to my iCloud. Yeah, I'm gonna add this video to my downloads, right? So as you can see right here, it's been added. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and click downloads, go back and add the video, right? And now they're gonna analyze the video and you can start editing your video, right? You're gonna see right here the video being added, right? And as you can see, they are transcribing the video. You're gonna see right here also the tools, right? You can see the sound and remove retakes, remove filter words, eye contact, which is beta, center, active speaker in beta mode, green screen if you want to remove a background and add another one. You can generate an image to add as a background. In here you can also create a clips for this video, create a highlight reel and find highlights, translate, and you can also publish, right? Draft a title, summarize, show notes, video description, draft a special social post, and draft a blog post, and many more. As you can see right here, they just transcribe this video for me, right? So now I can edit the text and add one on my own, or use that tools provided for me from the video. So I can go ahead and remove retakes, for example, and now now it's waiting, right? And hit right here the check mark if you want. And you can also see the layers, right? If you want to add audio effects, right, for this video. So now you're editing not only the video, you're editing the video and the audio. So you can see also right here the effects. If you want to add effects, you can go ahead and toggle on the shadow and the green screen. And if you want to measure or reduce or add any other filter, you can just do that on your own time. Same goes for green screen. And here also you're gonna see animations, zoom and pan or custom. You can also right here see that you can add your own zoom in, right? You can just go ahead and zoom in, right, for example, and basically you can zoom in at any part of the video, right? So let's say minimize. I can also move it right, or I can move it horizontally, or vertically. So you can also see right here the record. If you want to record something live, right here, as you can see my camera. And also you can see the elements, which is like for designing. Basically you can add arrows or underline, captions. If you want to add captions as well, you can do that, and you can add templates for that caption, right? So basically it's an AI provided. And also you can see stocks if you want to add from different platforms like Jiffy, right? You can also add that. And if you want to add videos, you can also do that. And as you can see right here, they generated this video for me, right? Generated this subtitle for me without the need to go above and beyond just to add the text. So it's very helpful and makes it a lot easier for me, and make it a lot easier to edit your videos leveraging AI. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.